Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at home. Welcome to online classes. This side Khushbu Rijwani from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group Kota. Students, today I am here to teach you General Awareness GK. Today we are going to discuss chapter number 5 and chapter number 6. So, take out your books and open page number 1111. Okay children. Chapter number 5 are helpers. Name of the chapter is are helpers. Children, there are so many kinds of work which we cannot do. So, for that work we have to take help of some other person. That people are called are helpers, and in this chapter we are going to discuss about that. Keeping in mind that you have to do all the work with me in a very beautiful handwriting. Let's start. We live in a society. We cannot do all our work alone by ourselves. Yes, I told you we live in a society and we cannot do all of our work by ourselves. Such as for teaching, who is helping you? I am helping you. So, who am I? I am your teacher. I am helping you for your teaching. Next is gardener. Who takes care of school garden or park near your house? Gardener. So, these are the helpers. Let's see. We take help from others. Yes, I told you, we take help from others as you are taking help from me for studying. So, we take help from others. There are some people who help us in different ways. There are so many different people who help us in different ways. Let's see. Who are these people? Choose the correct word from the help box and write them in the space given below. Now, who are those people? Who are these people? That we have to write here, and the help box is given. Let's see. First, he looks after flowers and trees in a garden or park. Children, there is a park near your house. Who take care for that park? Who maintains the park? Who keeps the park clean? Gardener. So, the first answer is gardener. Let's see the spelling of gardener and let's see how to write. Number 1 is gardener. 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 G will be capital. Next, number 2. She teaches us in the school. As nowadays you are not coming to the school and I am teaching you. So, who am I? I am your helper, and who am I? I am your teacher. Let's see how to write teacher. T will be capital. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. Number 3. He makes furniture for us. Children, you have so many wooden things at your home like chairs, tables, sofas. Who makes them? Carpenter. Who makes all the furniture? Carpenter. Let's see how to write carpenter. C will be capital, children. C-A-R-P-E-N-T-E-R, carpenter. Children, keep this thing in mind that you have to write all the work in a very beautiful handwriting. He mends our shoes. Now children, who mends our shoes? Cobbler. Cobbler mends our shoes. Let's see how to write cobbler, children. C will be capital. C-O-B-B-L-E-R, cobbler. Number 5. She treats the sick. Children, when we are unwell and when we are sick, whom we visit? We visit doctor. So, who helps us when we are sick? Doctor. Let's see how to write doctor. D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. Number 6. He stitches the clothes for us. Now children, who stitches clothes for us? Who stitches clothes for us? Tailor. Now let's see how to write tailor. T-A-I-L-O-R. Tailor. Now except these helpers children, we have so many other helpers who help us in different ways. Let's see one of the facts. A person who sells books and pens is called a stationer. Children, when you go to buy stationery items, who sells all the things? Stationer. That person is called stationer. I hope you have understood this chapter well and you have done it in a very beautiful handwriting. Now, let's move to chapter number 6, in the park. Children, you all love going to the park. Yes, you play games, you do running, walking and many other activities. There are various kinds of parks like amusement parks. So, let's see about them in detail. We all love to play. Playing outdoor is a good exercise. Yes, we play in the park, we do exercise, we do running. I told you earlier, it makes our bones and muscles strong. It makes our bones and muscle strong. By doing exercise, our bones and muscles become strong and healthy. If you have a park in your neighborhood, you should go there to play outdoor games. Children, what is neighborhood? Neighborhood means an area around our house. If you have a park in an area where you live, you should visit that park, you should play games, you should do walking, running and exercise with your friends because it will make you healthy. In parks, there are some equipments to play games. Now children, when you visit park, you see so many equipments with where you play. Let's see what are those equipments. Okay, can you identify them? Write their names with the help of the help box. Now children, pictures of the equipment is given to you and help box is also given. With the help of help box, we will identify the pictures and we will write them. Let's see. Okay, can you see this equipment in the park? Have you seen this equipment? What is it called? This is called swing. You all love to do swing in the park. Okay, now let's see the spelling of swing. S-W-I-N-G, swing. This you have to write here in a very beautiful handwriting. Picture number 2. Okay, what this picture says? Can you identify this picture? This is a picture of seesaw. You love playing on seesaw with your friends now. So this picture is of seesaw. Let's see how to write seesaw. S will be capital, S-E-E-S-A-W, saw, seesaw. Picture number 3. Okay. Is this equipment in your park? Yes, in almost all the parks we have this equipment and we all love doing sliding. So this is called slider. What is it called? It is called slider. What's the spelling of slider? Let's see. S-L-I-D-E-R. S-L-I-D-E-R. First word will be capital. First letter will be capital, children. Number 4. Okay. Is this equipment there in your park? What is it called? It is called merry-go-round. Let's see how to write. M-E-R-R-Y. Merry, G-O, go, R-O-U-N-D, round. Merry-go-round. Number 5. Okay. Have you seen this equipment in your park? If you use this equipment, it makes your bones strong and healthy. So this is called horizontal ladder. It's like a ladder but in a horizontal way. So it is called horizontal ladder. Let's see how to write. H-O-R-I-Z-O-N-T-A-L. L-A-D-D-E-R, horizontal. L-A-D-D-E-R, ladder, horizontal ladder. Now picture number 6. Okay, this you can mostly see in the amusement parks, and this is called scrambler. What is it called? It is called scrambler. Let's see the spelling of scrambler, children. S-C-R-A-M-B-L-E-R. What is the spelling of scrambler? S-C-R-A-M-B-L-E-R, scrambler. Okay, one more time we will see how to write all the spellings. Let's see. Okay, so the first word which we saw is swing. S will be capital, S-W-I-N-G, swing. Second picture was of seesaw, S-E-E-S-A-W, seesaw. Now next, third picture. Third picture is of slider, S-L-I-D-E-R, slider. Picture number 4th. Merry-go-round. Let's see how to write merry-go-round. M will be capital, M-E-R-R-Y, merry. One finger gap, G-O, go. Again one finger gap and round, R-O-U-N-D, round. Merry-go-round. Fifth, it is horizontal ladder. H will be capital, H-O-R-I-Z-O-N-T-A-L, horizontal. L, one finger gap, then L will be capital, L-A-D-D-E-R, ladder. Picture number 6, this picture number 6, this you see in amusement parks. Okay, what is the name of that picture? It is scrambler. Let's see the spelling. S-C-R-A-M-B-L-E-R, scrambler. Okay, let's see a fact, children. In parks we learn the importance of teamwork. Yes, when you play with your friends, you learn how to do teamwork, na? So in parks, what we learn? We learn teamwork. We should go to the park near our house. If there is a park near our house, we should visit the park. We should play with our friends. We should do exercise which will make our bones healthy and we will be strong. That's all about chapter number 6. And children, I hope you must have understood the chapter well and you have done book work with me in a very beautiful handwriting. Keep learning, keep studying. Thank you.